A new South Carolina law assigned the bathrooms students in public schools and universities are allowed to use. Taylor Farmer spoke with those for and against the new law.
Under House Bill 4756, students in South Carolina public schools and institutions must use bathrooms and locker rooms that align with their sex assigned at birth. The law also states that institutions that don't comply could lose some state funding. The new law, the South Carolina Student Physical Privacy Act, was introduced in January of this year.
I think it's fantastic. I think it's the will of the people. Speaker Pro Tem Tommy Pope, the House rep out of York County, is the main sponsor, and it seemed to have widespread support on both the House and the Senate side. So we're pleased that McMaster signed it last Friday.
But some people not in favor of the bill say all of that was a waste of time.
South Carolina has a lot of real problems. I know this as a lifelong South Carolinian, as a parent. But our legislature decided to spend days and hours specifically focused on making life harder for transgender people.
The law not only requires students to use facilities that match their biological sex at birth, it also requires schools to provide some sort of private accommodation for those not comfortable with that.
But I think it's a reasonable bill. Everybody should want people, same-sex, boys and boys bathrooms and girls bathrooms, and also provide an accommodation for people that don't qualify for one of those two spots.
Paul Bowers with the American Civil Liberties Union believes the law opens the door to singling out those who identify as transgender, saying if they don't want to use a gender-specific bathroom, schools could set up a portable toilet for them outside.
There is real harm that comes from singling out a kid like that and sending them outside.
If public schools don't comply, the law says the state can withhold up to 25% of certain funding.
For those of us who know trans people, it is worth sticking up for them, reminding them that they're loved and they're welcome here, even when our state government says otherwise.
And the law says if violated, meaning someone encounters a person of the opposite sex in a restroom or changing facility, individuals can sue the school or university.
Having a penalty associated is appropriate. I would expect anyone from a public K through 12 or a public university to comply with the law, but it's nice to have a penalty in there to make sure that they do.
The law states certain restrictions do apply, for instance, during disasters or emergencies, custodial work, or in coaching situations where no one is undressing. In Greenville County, Taylor Farmer, 7 News.